The next family of the friendly letters is the round head family, which consists of thaa and qaaf. These two are grouped together because their initial shapes and medial shapes are nearly identical, with the loop looking like a small circle resting on the line. They look quite different at the end of a word, as thaa stays flat like a white boat and qaaf drops down into a deep round bowl. Since they are friendly, they spread their left hands in the leader position, both hands in the bridge shape, and right hands in the finisher position. Thaa has a single dot on top, and qaaf has two dots on top. Let's pick some letters to test them out. First, we'll take thaa, jeem, and ra. Thaa being in the beginning, we'll take the leader position, a small circle with its single dot on top. Jeem is in the middle, taking the bridge position with its single dot underneath. Finally, ra. At the end, we'll take the finisher position shape. The word after connecting looks like this. This word is fajr. Fajr means dawn. Now let's pick thaa, fa, alif, and ha. Thaa is in the beginning, taking the leader position with its two dots on top. Next, fa takes the bridge position in the middle, transforming into that small circle with its single dot. Then we have alif. Since it's a chain breaker, it will break the chain and only will connect with the fa. And hence, the final ha sits after the gap all by itself, taking its full isolated shape. The word after joining looks like this. This word is tuffah. Tuffah means apple. Now let's pick swaad, daal, and fa. Swaad starts in the leader position, flat on the line, with its oval loop and small tooth. Daal is at the end of this little chain, taking the finisher position shape. And since it's a selfish letter, it will refuse to stretch out its left hand. And hence, fa must stand completely alone, taking the full isolated shape with one dot on top. The word after joining looks like this. This word is sadaf. Sadaf means seashell. Now we'll pick seen, qaaf, and fa. Seen starts in the leader position with its three teeth. Qaaf is in the middle, taking the bridge position. It looks just like its twin, a small circle resting right on the baseline. But qaaf has two dots on top. Finally, fa, at the end, taking the finisher position. The word after joining looks like this. This word is saqf. Saqf means ceiling. And now let's pick qaaf and thaa. Qaaf is in the beginning, taking the leader position, looking like a small circle with its two dots on top. Thaa is at the end, will take the finisher position with its intact loop and the doll stick. The word after joining looks like this. This word is qit. Qit means cat. Now let's pick seen, wow, and qaaf. Seen being in the beginning will take the leader position. Wow comes next, taking the finisher position as it is a chain breaker. Then comes qaaf at the end, will not take the finisher position but completely isolated form. This word is souk. Souk means market. Now let's pick swaad, daal, ya, and qaaf. Swaad starts in the leader position with its oval loop and small tooth. Daal follows it, taking the finisher position shape as it is a chain breaker. And hence, ya has to start a brand new chain, taking the leader position with its two dots underneath. Finally, qaaf at the end will take the finisher position shape, keeping its initial loop on the line but dropping down into its deep round under the line bowl. The word after joining looks like this. This word is sadiq. Sadiq means friend. Finally, let's look at our last and the seventh group, the unique shapes group.